Yesterday we completed Tungnath trek and we stayed at a homestay in nearby village. Today we are going to Sari village for Devriya Tal trek. Devriya Tal trek is just 20 kilometers from Chopta and it's a very easy trek and it just takes 1 hour to complete this trek. We stayed in a village near Makumat, but there are many options to stay in Sari village from where you can start your trek for Devriya Tal. If you are visiting Tungnath, you can plan this trek as well. Tungnath is in Chamoli district and this region has beautiful mountains and waterfalls all along the way. This is the month of October and still there are so many waterfalls. Imagine the sight in monsoons. I recommend you to stay at Sari village as there are many options to stay and you can also start your trek early morning for Devriya Tal. We started a trek for Devriya Tal early morning from Sari village and after that we had plans to go to Uttarkashi. There are two ways to reach Devriya Tal lake. We were advised by the local to take the new trail as it was not very steep and we would get better view of hills around us. If you ask a local about a trek, they would surely call everything easy. And believe me, this trek was a little steep at the starting. But it just takes 1 hour to complete, so you don't have to worry a lot. We met few local ladies that joked around and were having good time even on these steps. It was just a routine day for them.
कितना ऊपर आंटी जी और पहुंच गए.
We could also see Chandrashila peak from this trek. As we reached to the top of the mountain, we could see Chaukhamba peak covered in clouds. And this was the beautiful Devriya Tal lake. Spending some time at this lake, it started raining. We came down as quickly as we could as we had to ride more than 200 kilometers. We had planned to take a new route to Uttarkashi. This route will go to a small town Ghanshali and is a single lane road. Yesterday was a sunny day, but today the clouds have entirely covered the sky and there seems a high probability of rain. Soon it started drizzling and the fog made it seem that the clouds are touching these mountains. We got a call from a home and they told us about the high alert in Uttarakhand because of rainfall. The weather department predicted 3 days of heavy rainfall. We had already taken the route to Uttarkashi and returning back would be a very long ride. So we decided to go with the current plan and go to Uttarkashi. We had to stop a lot for tea break as the rain drained off all our body heat. The route we took had very few hotels, but we luckily found a small hotel as it soon got dark and the fog reduced the visibility. But the light bulbs for entire hotel flickered all night and we had to spend a night here as there were no hotels nearby. For more updates on this trip, do watch our next video.